this is the BTS that has a very sharp curve. You can hear it sometimes like that, the train.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not nice here to stay in the hotel.
Electric train.
Yeah. Oh, look at the skyscrapers. Their streets are so green. If you can see it, it's like Manila. Traffic, too much people walking. But if you can see them, people walks very slowly. Yeah, you can see it's a difference between Manila. In Manila, people walk fast. Here, they walk slowly. Holiday Inn here. It's nearby a market. Maybe next time I'll choose to stay in Holiday Inn so that I can get more points. More points. More free nights. It's a nice place to shop. To eat. Didi, as always, is just playing. It's a nice reception. Very friendly staff. Okay. Centre Point is a nice hotel. Look, it's very unique. Look at this one. And this too. They have also this one. You have nice hallway. Didi, go. Yo, this is it. 15, 20, 15, 18. This is nice. Here it goes. Oh, wow. Light first. Very good. Yeah. There is nice room. That's because it is grand. Oh, nice. This is very nice. I think we paid well for this. Thank you, brother. Wait, I don't have... What? This is more like it. This room is like 4 times the price of what we paid in Saladeng. But I always make it a point that me and Didi will always 2 days of budget hotels and at least 1 day of having a nice hotel. At least 2 as a reward for trying to sacrifice for 2 days. We have, it's like an apartment hotel, no? We have washing machine, microwave, a big fridge, of course plates. Yeah, glasses here, plates, something to cook. I think before it's like here, toaster, ice, whatever. I think there's no plates. Oh, here it is, the plates, the utensils. What's in here? Nothing. Ta-da! And guys, this is it. Look at this. Surprise, surprise. Usually, this is a modern toilet, which is mostly found in Japan. So now we are having ours with all of this stuff. Yo! See this, there is a nice bathtub. Oh, a big tub. Yeah. But only 1 towel. Oh, there are 2 towels. This is the bath. It's a bit worn out, but it's an old hotel. I mean, even if it's like modern, but you know, old building. Very nice. And what we have here. Tchanan! There is a nice view of the river. See, we are not really at the sides of the river, but it's having a nice view. Probably at night would be nice to see the sunset. I don't know where's the sunset. Oh, Icon Siam is just near. It can be seen from here. That's a hop on hop off boat, guys. Yeah. See, there's a station. There's a boat station over there. So it will be easy for us to move around. Yeah. So it's the only problem. It should be removed from here and it will be a nice what's this, balcony. This is the cupboard. We have already an extra duvet there. Iron, flat iron. The vault. And we have already sleepers. What we don't have is just a bathrobe. So we'll ask. Unfortunately, oh here, bonggang office. Unfortunately, we have to deposit 1,000, probably because of the appliances that are here. Tingnan yung mga gamit namin. But well, it's okay. We can do it later. For the first time, no, usually a good 5-star hotel not ask for a deposit, but here they're asking, so it's their rule. We have to follow. We have in this bathroom our toiletries, right? We have our own, but I mean, they're providing this. You can add extra if you want, like this one. Well, from their note, there is shower cap, toothbrush kit, as I've said, hand soap, hair dryer, and guess what? I requested for bathrobe. With the room, there is already sleepers, so it's okay. For me, the most special thing about this room is the terrace and the view and this thermal seat. Nowhere cold, ours. See? It's just, and the water also is regulated. Well, what more can you ask for? Are at Robinson's Mall. Actually, it's a connecting door from the hotel. Look, this is nice. There is McDonald's. We're going down. It's too hot for now to go for a hop on hop off boat, so we're going to eat first. Here there are food shops. We're eating first so that we can think clearly. Cannot think well. Here there are lots of restaurants. Not so familiar. This is shopping mall. I mean the grocery store. We have Subway here. It's like a takeaway counter. They don't have anywhere to sit. In a mall, we will be lost probably because we don't know where it is. Where it can be found, where are the groceries, where are the food shops. Oh. Here it is. It's outside. You want KFC or ano?
KFC.
There, oh, they have food. This is our food. Their menu is somewhat same as in where we are living. Problem is, their menu is in Thai. They don't have English menu. They are having limited English. So we just ordered whatever we can order. Good. There's currency exchange rate. My god, it's 30 now. They also have a good exchange rate. It's 33.50. It's just a few cents. This can be found in the mall, in Robinson's Mall. At least it's beside the hotel that we are staying, so it's easier. It's the entrance to our hotel. Yeah, it's easy for us. I think this is the easiest way for us to go to the mall. We came back for necessities. Here is our room, so we're back. So this is our room for the night, guys, before we travel by train tomorrow. Have a good day.